Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Confound. The complex instructions managed to confound the workers, making it impossible to execute the task correctly. Confound. The complex instructions managed to confound the workers, making it impossible to execute the task correctly. Execute. Once they execute the final part of the contract, they will no longer want to be part of this partnership. Execute. Once they execute the final part of the contract, they will no longer want to be part of this partnership. No longer want. He realized he no longer wanted to live a life of crime because he refused to serve jail time again. No longer want. He realized he no longer wanted to live a life of crime because he refused to serve jail time again. Serve jail time. After he had to serve jail time, he began to seem distant and rarely spoke to his old friends. Serve jail time. After he had to serve jail time, he began to seem distant and rarely spoke to his old friends. Seem distant. You seem distant today, which worries me because our entire future is on the line right now. Seem distant. You seem distant today, which worries me because our entire future is on the line right now. On the line. With his career on the line, he began to yearn for the simple life he had before becoming famous. On the line. With his career on the line, he began to yearn for the simple life he had before becoming famous. To yearn. He used to yearn for revenge, so he started slandering his rival in the local newspapers. To yearn. He used to yearn for revenge, so he started slandering his rival in the local newspapers. To slander. The lawyer warned him not to slander the witness before they hand over the crucial evidence. To slander. The lawyer warned him not to slander the witness before they hand over the crucial evidence. Hand over. If you hand over all the documents now, the stress won't continue to cloud your judgment. Hand over. If you hand over all the documents now, the stress won't continue to cloud your judgment. To cloud. His emotions started to cloud his logic, which only further confounded the situation. to cloud. His emotions started to cloud his logic, which only further confounded the situation.